Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Honor 90. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge. And now click search. And now click install. And now click open. Now you can click skip introduction, and here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, or you can click not now. Now you have to allow Microsoft Edge to send you notifications, or you can click no thanks. And now you can use your Microsoft Edge as your regular browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.